Want to know how to change your code or translate your code to another language? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you open it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So we have also created a video on how to install Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you have installed Cursor AI and you are under this interface, just simply select Ctrl plus K. So this will open up a quick edit. So since we are translating, just simply select translate this code into Java or any language that you want. So once you have to translate, it should easily translate just like this right here. So you can just simply select keep and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. So this is how you easily translate your language. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.